going to play Boat Roulette. This boat dock goes to both Magic Kingdom and Port Wilderness. I want to see both. Whatever shows up is what I do. Let's see what happens. One side is the boat to Fort Wilderness. Looks like we're going to Fort Wilderness. That's what's floating right now, and that's the boat that's here. On this left side is Magic Kingdom. Alright, we'll get on. Well, there's lightning within the area, so I can't ride that because the boat's not grounded. Let's see if this one is good or magical. Sounds like we can take this boat. There's lightning in the area. FYI, that type of boat you cannot take when there's lightning in the area within 5 miles. So here we go, Magic Kingdom.
Right now, all together, we'll find the bus.